I've never ever met a successful, wealthy investment master who was impatiently tapping their foot. During are we there yet at their portfolio? The legendary ones, they have the patience of a sniper waiting for the perfect shot, or cat waiting for a laser pointer dot. Hey guys, I'm Stevens. If you're here to level up your investment game and sharpen your market mindset, you've come to the right place. We don't just watch tickers here, we find the why behind the moves. Let's get into it. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's a proven, scientific, factual, undeniable component of long-term wealth building. It's the secret ingredient your Uncle Bob, who keeps giving you hot tips at Thanksgiving dinner, is missing. Let's imagine this. Bitcoin hits a cool $120,000. You might be that person kicking themselves so hard your foot is in your own ear going, "Man, it's such a pity. I bought that thing back when it was only $1,000. I was a genius." When silver hits $70 an ounce, again, you are the one going, "The humanity, such a pity again. I have silver when it was $30 for 2 days." And so what? You know what those stories prove? That you had the right idea, the golden ticket, and you let it slip through your fingers because you couldn't sit still for 5 minutes. Hey, my friend, it's the definition of a financial loser. Why couldn't you hold? Why couldn't you be patient? Because you didn't think like a farmer. You acted like a squirrel who found an acorn and then immediately forgot where he puts it. The market is designed to reward the patient and separate the impatient from their money. It's a transfer of wealth from the active to the passive. The impatient investor sees a dip and panics, selling low. The patient investor sees the same dip and maybe buys more, or just sips their coffee and watches a squirrel video. Please be the second person. I have no clue where this code originated. Probably some wise old dude on a mountain, or maybe a motivational poster in a dentist's office trying to calm anxious patients. But it works in a ton of fields, especially investing. It's about patience, cultivation, and precision. The farmer's life is a masterclass in delayed gratification. They don't plant a seed in morning and expect a harvest by afternoon. They work the land, they wait, and they deal with what Mother Nature throws at them. Don't shout at the crops. Yelling at your stock chart won't make the price go up. It will, however, make your neighborhoods think you are crazy and may get you a visit from the local authorities. Don't blame the crops for not growing fast enough. The market moves at its own pace. Sometimes it's a cheetah, sometimes it's a sloth on tranquilizers. You can't control the speed, only your reaction to it. Don't uproot corrupt before they've had a chance to grow. Selling your investments the second they dip is like dipping up a seed every day to see if it's growing. It kills the plant and your profits. Let it grow, man. Choose the best plant for the soil. Pick the right investment for your goals and risk tolerance. Don't plant a tropical flower in Arctic Circle and expect it to thrive. Irrigate and fertilize. Consistently invest. Add funds when you can. And educate yourself. Learn new things. Read a book. Stop watching those get-rich-quick videos. They all want to get your attention. Pay more attention to my videos. They will help you calm down and focus. Remove fears. Get rid of bad investments, toxic mindsets like impatience, or that one friend who keeps telling you to buy the next Bitcoin. Remember, you will have good seasons and bad seasons. You can't control the weather and the market. You can only prepare for the storm. Buy an umbrella, which means a good strategy, an emergency fund, diversification. This isn't about being trigger happy. A Navy SEAL sniper spends hours, maybe days, in a single uncomfortable camouflage spot, waiting. They are patient, focused, and only take the perfect shot when everything aligns. Patience is the key. Wait for your entry point. Don't chase the red hot stocks everyone is talking about on Reddit. The sniper waits for the target to be perfectly still in the open, with no wind. Precision over volume. One great well-researched investment is better than 10 mediocre, stressful ones that give you an answer. Quality over quantity. Always. Observe. Don't look at. Watch the market. Don't just jump in the second something moves. A sniper observes patterns, wind, direction, and calculates everything before making a move. You should too. So we have the patient, hardworking farmer, and the focused, precise sniper in our heads. How do we apply this madness to the real world of crypto, silver, and stocks? Gold and silver. These are the ultimate farmer investments. You plant your gold seed, buy physical gold or silver or reliable ETF, and you let them grow over years, maybe decades, as a hedge against inflation and economic chaos. Farmer mindset. Don't uproot your gold every time and stock market goes up. It's a long-term insurance policy. You don't cancel your house insurance just because your house hasn't burned down, right? Same logic. Sniper mindset. Wait for the right global uncertainty or major economic data point, like a massive inflation report or potential war. Then buy with precision. Don't just randomly buy on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think you got it. The logic behind precious metal investment is that even if the modern financial and monetary system, precious metals can still function normally. They have their own scarcity and value preservation mechanisms, and in the long run, they are the best investment products to combat the current oversupply and credit crisis. Crypto. This is the Wild West, the most fertile but dangerous ground. The farmer needs a half crop. Farmer mindset. Plants a small amount in major, established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the corn and wheat of crypto. Don't trade it daily. Water it with consistent, small investments over time. Dollar cost averaging. Sniper mindset. Research a solid project, not a Doge-themed meme coin. Seriously, wait for major market crash or dip, the perfect short opportunity, and invest with conviction. Avoid the noise and the hype. Don't let any screenshots of others' overnight gains of 30 to 50 times shake your original investment strategy. Stick to your own investments and find your own pace. Stocks, the classic and the backbone of most portfolios. Farmer mindset. Buy solid index funds or blue chip stocks. Think S&P 500 and hold them for decades. Reinvest dividends. Don't touch it. Let the compound interest magic work. That's the most boring and most likely way to become wealthy. Sniper mindset. Do your own research. Find an undervalued company with great potential. Wait for the ideal entry price. Maybe after some bad news that's already priced in, and execute the trade with confidence. If you want to be a qualified investor, you have to invest time and effort in this area. Simply copying other investors' advice and investment strategies might be too much for you. I'll be explaining this more in future videos, so feel free to follow if you are interested. The bottom line is, you need a plan, a massive dose of patience, and the ability to laugh at yourself when things get weird. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and you are the one driving the bus. Now get out there, be a patient, focused farmer, sniper investor, and stop being a loser of investment. Just kidding, you're awesome. Now, go make some smart choices. The recap of this video. After watching this video, I hope you will learn the psychology of money, Some example of using the thinking mindset. The importance of self-awareness. Think like a farmer. Focus like a sniper. What do you think? What's your investment problem? Feel free to let me know. You can drop them below the comment area. At the end, I truly hope everyone improves their investing skills and makes a fortune from now on. Of course, this is just my personal opinion and not financial advice. I just really hope that we face a big bull run soon. Alright, I will continue following the finance trends including stock, funds, crypto, gold, and real estate. I hope you found this helpful and improving your investment skills and mindset. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.